Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. No, it's the third puzzle. Correction. The third puzzle, yes. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, December the 29th, 2022. 3 days to go. Then we will enter 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. Oh, the tectonic with 4 stars. And this one, the binary puzzle number 5707. It will be, yes, 5707. And yeah, I believe in the new year, beginning of the new year, we will have solved 1,000 binary puzzles. Yes, I have a playlist with almost 1,000 binaries. But before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now, well, let me see, and now I'm stuck. Well, not true. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Then let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O then. Alright. And now, 3. Well. Time for comparing, I think. Yeah. Well, this row and that row. 1, 1. O, 1, 1, O, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. But it's not helping me. Now we have here. Compare again. Well. Hmm. Oh. Well, if you look to this row and the last row, look to the ones. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1, and there we have a 1. So the fourth one in this row is here. I cannot place the fourth one there, otherwise we will have identical rows. So this can be a 1, this should be an O then. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But it's not helping me. This is not helping me. We have a double 1 here. Oh, yeah. Look to this column and that column. To the ones. Here we have a 1. There we have a 1. And here we have a 1. The fourth one in this column is here. Well, I cannot place the fourth one there in this column. Otherwise, we will have identical columns. Same story with the rows. So, this can be a 1. This should be an O then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. If we have here 3 O's, if I place number 4 there in this row, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now. Compare again. That's the question. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. Here no. No, it's not the same. Not the same. 10. Do we have a 10? Okay. Yeah. The O's. Well, here should be an O and a 1 there. Yeah. Well, 7 minutes already passed. Need to hurry. 10, 1. 1. This is not the same. Not the same. How about these two? The O's. No, the O's are not the same. 2, 3. Here could be 2, 3. Here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm stuck. Yeah, also between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Need to compare this one and that one. Yeah. Oh, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Overlooked. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 1s in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, overlook this column. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.